Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best gear on the market smartly and simply. Today, we're talking about what we believe is the best rechargeable hair clipper out there. The Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper and Trimmer, Model 9649P. If you've ever struggled with managing haircuts at home, especially with multiple people in the house, this is the kind of tool that can genuinely make your life easier. Let's start with what makes this clipper stand out immediately: cordless convenience. The Wahl Color Pro is fully rechargeable, which means you're not tied down to a power outlet. That's a big deal when you're trying to cut hair from different angles or simply don't want cords getting in the way. And in case you do forget to charge it in time, don't worry, it works with the cord plugged in as well. But what really makes this clipper a home run for families is the color-coded guide comb system. Each comb has a distinct color, and there's a reference key printed right on the clipper itself. That means once you figure out your ideal length, you don't have to memorize confusing numbers or measure guards. You just look for the blue or the green or the orange guard, snap it on, and go. This is especially helpful when you're cutting different hairstyles for different people and need to switch quickly and accurately. Speaking of switching guards, Wahl has made this super intuitive. The guide combs are easy to attach and detach, and they hold securely during use. There's very little room for error, and that gives you confidence, especially if you're new to home haircuts. Now let's talk about hygiene. The clipper blades are fully removable and rinseable. You can just pop them off, rinse under warm water, and dry them before the next use. It's a small but very welcome touch, especially if you're trimming hair for more than one person in your home. And let's not ignore performance. The Wahl Color Pro doesn't feel like one of those lightweight, gimmicky clippers. It has just the right heft at 1.4 pounds to give you a steady hand without feeling bulky. The motor is quiet, powerful, and doesn't tug or snag. With 60 minutes of runtime, you'll easily get through several haircuts on a single charge. The Color Pro supports worldwide voltage, which means you can pack it and use it anywhere. 220 volts, dual voltage, Wahl's got you covered. This clipper also makes a great gift. Whether it's for Father's Day, Christmas, a birthday, or just someone who wants to stop paying for barber visits, this is a practical and thoughtful option. It's not flashy, but it's built to do the job well and last. To sum it up, the Wahl Color Pro Cordless is functional, durable, and beginner-friendly. Its standout feature, the color-coded guide combs, truly makes it one of the easiest to use hair clippers on the market. With cordless capability, easy maintenance, and a globally compatible power setup, it's the kind of product you'll actually use, not one that gets forgotten in a drawer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you decide, or you want us to test other grooming tools, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you next time.